Hi, this is Rod from Rod V's Bird Planet. Today I have two emails. First one is from Victor from New York City. Victor wants to know if chili peppers are safe for his bird. Well, chili peppers are one of the safe foods that you can give your bird, as long as you wash them well, or do as I do, buy USDA organic vegetables and fruits. This way you're sure there are no pesticides on your fruits and vegetables. If you want to know other foods that are safe and toxic for your birds, check out the chapter on food in my book, A Bird's Eye View, available both as an ebook and as this paperback book. The second email I have is from Mary from Memphis, Tennessee. Mary wants to know if avocados are safe for her bird or if they're toxic. She's looked at numerous websites. Half of them say it's perfectly safe. The other half say it is not safe. She wanted to know which websites are correct. Well, this is a good question to ask. Actually, Mary, both answers are correct. Avocados contain something called paricin, which can affect the bird's heart, cause heart abnormalities, abnormal beats in the heart, which can lead to a heart attack and then lead to death. The birds most susceptible to this toxin, paricin, are your cockatiels and your grays, both the African Timna grays and the Congo grays. So if you have these two species of birds, you want to stay completely away from avocados. If the bird has any abnormalities, they may have a heart attack due to this toxin interacting with the electrical activity in their heart. Very good questions. If anybody else has any other questions, feel free to email me at helpmybird@gmail.com or visit my website at birdplanettv.com. Thank you. And say bye, Jelly Bean. Gonna say bye? Bye. They all want to see Jelly Bean. Yeah. Pretty bird. All right, bye.